We guide you through how to remove someone from a group chat in Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack app on desktop or mobile and go directly to the group chat where the person is currently added. Once you're inside the conversation, tap or click the group name at the top of the screen to open the chat details and member list. After that, scroll through the members until you find the person you want to remove from the group chat. On desktop, click the three dots or the options menu beside their name, then select remove from group or remove from conversation. And if you are using mobile, press and hold the member's name or tap their profile. Then choose the remove option if it's available. Keep in mind that in some Slack workspaces, only admins, owners, or the person who created group chat can remove members. If you don't see the option, you may need to ask your workspace admin for permission. After removing the member, Slack will automatically update the group chat and the person will no longer receive messages from that conversation.